Hi everyone, my name is Joe Williams. I am the co-founder of Keller Williams. We are the largest privately owned real estate franchise actually in the world. We got our start here in Austin, Texas. So I've been around the construction business for, golly, 45 plus years now. So I know a little bit about roofers and the roofing business. And I would be the first to tell you, you have to be very careful when you pick your roofer. Historically, give me 10 roofers anywhere in the USA, and I'm going to tell you that 2 out of the 10 really know what they're doing. I've got 3,000-4,000 agents just work in the Central Texas area, and one thing we know, we can depend on JMR. Our roof was, 20 years old, started having some leaks. I called David up, they were Johnny on the spot, bid the job correctly, and got right to work. But it was exciting to see them actually fix my own roof. Another thing that he's done that I think is just really cool is they've developed a program for realtors here in the Austin, Central Texas area, that if your seller needs a new roof, they can get that done for you and defer the payment until the house is actually closed. You may have a situation where you've done an inspection, the inspectors come back and said, yes, you definitely need a new roof. David's new program now will allow that seller to get that roof replaced and then get the job paid for when they close the transaction. So I think this new program he's got is going to be a real winner for the realtors here in the Central Texas area. I'm excited for you realtors to get out there and check it out.